A stylist with a wide range of strokes, Chingleput Gopinath's test record was not in keeping with his reputation as one of the leading run scorers in first-class cricket. He made an impressive debut win. In his first test against England in 1951-52, he scored 50 not out and 42. The first was a classy knock full of flowing strokes while the second was a fighting effort, scored when Indian wickets were falling fast. Again in the final test at Madras he did well, scoring 35 and helping Paulie Umrigar add 93 runs for the 7th wicket. Thereafter he was more out of than in the team, predominantly because of a poor tour of England in 1952. He fared much better in Pakistan in 1954-55, averaging 58.33 in all first-class games. Brought back against Australia at Calcutta in 1959-60, he was top scorer with 39 in the first innings. But that was his swan song. In the Ranji Trophy, however, Gopinath remained a heavy scorer, finishing with 2,349 runs, 51.06, with the highest score of 234 against Mysore in 1958-59. One of his finest innings was 175 for South Zone against the visiting New Zealanders in 1955-56. He captained Madras for several years. He had a comparatively short first-class career due to business commitments, but in the 70s re-emerged as chairman of the National Selection Committee, and in 1979 he managed the Indian team which toured England. Chingleput Gopinath debuted in Test cricket against England at Brabourne Stadium, Mumbai, on 14 December 1951. His last Test match was against Australia at Eden Gardens, Kolkata, on 23 January 1960. Chingleput Gopinath played 8 Test matches, 12 innings, and scored 242 runs with a low batting average of 22.00. His highest score of 50 not out against England at Brabourne Stadium, Mumbai, on his debut in 1951 didn't help at all as the match ended as a dull draw. He hits one half-century in his entire Test career. As a fielder he took 2 catches. Chingleput Gopinath had a very good first-class record. He played 83 matches, 119 innings, and scored 4,259 runs with a strong batting average of 42.16. His highest score in first-class cricket is 234. He has 9 centuries in his kitty. He also took 14 wickets in first-class cricket with a super strong bowling average of 27.78.